Welcome back to Clark's Star Culinary. Today we are making a cucumber with dill salad, and I've got my English cucumbers here. I do suggest using the English cucumber for this recipe because it doesn't have those very large seeds that you end up scooping out and throwing away. So you can use the entire cucumber without any food waste. So to start, I'm going to take and score down the sides of the cucumbers just to make a little pretty design in the cucumber itself. So you kind of really want to dig in there and get a good scoring. And this will also help the cucumber absorb the vinegar and dill flavor. So we're almost done with this one. There we go. And let's just grab that other one. Just really put the pressure on there and dig in there to get those pretty little score marks. Okay. All right, so we're just gonna slice this, and you can cut it however thick or thin that you'd like. I'm gonna show you our little scoring. It's very, very delicate looking, but I think it looks really pretty. So let's get this chopped up. You can definitely tell in these larger pieces the little scoring, very pretty. All right, and for this recipe, I do suggest that you get a bowl, preferably glass, that you have a lid to put on there, an airtight lid. I'm just gonna put those over in there. Those are really pretty. And let's go ahead and chop this one. Over in there. Get half of a medium-sized red onion, and we want to slice it up very, very thin. Very thin slices. Just going to try to keep them kind of stacked on top of each other. All right, I'm going to stop halfway through and just slice these right down the middle, move those to the side, and just keep going. Thin slices. And then cut these in half as well. Okay. And you want to break these up. Just break those rings up, just like that. And let's add these over into the bowl with the cucumber. Very good. Okay, last thing we need to chop up here is some fresh dill. We're gonna do a very light chop with the dill because you want to be evident that it is dill in there. So we don't want to go to a mince, just a nice chop. Maybe just run through with your knife once or twice. So I think that looks good. Yes, that looks perfect. Let's add that to the bowl. Okay, let's build the vinaigrette for our salad. The first thing we're gonna add is 4 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of fresh cracked black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar. And this is optional, but I think it goes really well with this recipe. I have 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. All right, we're just gonna mix that up until the salt and sugar crystals have dissolved. Okay, so the vinaigrette's done. We're gonna pour that right over into our cucumbers, red onion, and dill. And easy enough, we're gonna pop the top on here and give that a good rotate. Just rotate it around, shake it up, rotate it around, and you put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And you want to go back in and do the same thing. Just go in, rotate it around, and at least let it sit for at least a good hour before serving, because the longer it sits, the more flavor gets absorbed into your cucumbers, and the more those onions break down and release their flavor. Likewise with the dill, it just gets better with time. So that is that. And this is what it looks like right now before we put it in the refrigerator. And this is a really quick salad you can put together. I hope you all really enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching Clark Star Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.